The first dashboard that we're going to look at from the executive report pack is the CFO dashboard. And this dashboard provides a high-level view of key financial metrics and trends. It's useful during financial reviews, strategy sessions, and board meetings. It incorporates dynamic functionality, allowing the CFO to select any GL account groups based on their reporting needs. So as you can see here, we have revenue, cost of revenue, gross profit, operating expense, net income, and cash equivalents. However, these are not set in stone. So the CFO or someone else in a related role can select different account groups that better fit your financial operation needs. And the slicers at the top, as you see here, they enable you to see the data for a selected period and location, and then compare the metrics to either same period last year or previous period. So you can see this period comparison slicer here, and by default, it's selected at same period last year, and that pertains to this prior metric that you see below here. So since quarter one of 2025 is currently selected, same period last year would of course be quarter one of 2024. And then I can also change this to be previous period. So the previous period in this case would be Q4 of 2024. And you see that the prior metrics here change along with the color formatting in some cases. So that color formatting will change in comparison to the selected period comparison metric. You can hover over the various information icons that you see throughout this dashboard. So you have this high level one here, which gives a brief summary of this dashboard, pretty much what I'm giving to you right now. I could hover over this one here. This is visual specific. And one of the things it notes is that this visual does not interact with the location filter. That is by design, because as you can see here, the x-axis it consists of the location IDs. And so we want all of those IDs to be in view no matter which location is selected from the slicer up here. So overall, this CFO dashboard, it consolidates essential financial data into a single executive view. It enables fast, informed decision-making for financial leadership, and it tracks budget adherence and uncovers cost revenue balances, such as you see in these trend visuals here. So this dashboard is ideal for CFOs, controllers, and financial planning and analysis teams.
For more information on working with Roghnu and exploring how the data portal can help you get the most out of Sage Intacct alongside your other critical business data, scan the code on the screen or click in the link in the description.